Today we're going to have another look at this computer. This is our Z180 processor. This system is comprised of a number of boards. We have the main CPU board, which comprises the Z180 processor, the system clock, and our serial interface, which we will connect to our main computer. Behind this board is the memory and ROM. This board has CPM on the ROM, which allows us to connect to this compact flash card at the back here. If we turn the computer on its side, you'll get a better look at this card. This card has the compact flash card mounted vertically. In order to fit this into the system, we've attached it via a connector at the edge of the card to allow us to mount this board horizontally. This is the best layout as it allows us to change cards quite easily. Our last board in the system is this. This is a real-time clock. This allows us in the system to keep track of the current date and time. At the very front of our system is this LCD display. All the boards, with the exception of this LCD display, use the RC bus, which uses 2 rows of pins on the backplane. The LCD display only uses the back set of pins, as standard with the RC2014. This, as a Z180 system, is quite powerful, as it does run at a higher clock speed than your traditional Z80. And combined with the compact flash card gives you 64 megabytes of storage, which for a Z80 system is a great deal. We can power the system by using a simple power bank. Power this on, and we'll plug this into the side barrel jack and operate the on switch. And that is a system powered up. A simple tap of the reset button would reset the system. We can connect this to our main computer by using one of these cables. This translates the signals that come out of the computer to a USB format, which we can use in our computer. So let's just connect it and go into TerraTerm. We're now looking at TerraTerm. We're going to use this application to interface with our Z180 system. As you can see from the top of the screen, it's currently showing as disconnected. If we go into the serial port and set the port to COM9, which is the port this computer is currently connected to, so having clicked reset on the computer, we can now look at the bootloader. The bootloader gives us a certain amount of information. We can see we have a RAM disk, a ROM disk, and a hard disk, showing 61 megabytes of accessible disk storage. As we're in the bootloader, we now need to decide where we want to go. So let's select CPM. And here in CPM, it will configure our drives and show us just how many drives we have access to. So we have everything between the A and the B drive, which is the ROM and the RAM disk, and the C drive upwards. So if we do a directory on the B drive, we can see all the CPM we currently have. So from here we can go into MBasic. And from inside here we can actually load applications. So if we have a look what we have on our D drive, we can see we have 3 basic applications. So let's go back to our B drive and we will load MBasic. And we will attempt to load one of these applications from the D drive. And we can now list our loaded application. And there is our application. So we can try to run it. And this should have displayed on the LCD screen. So we have a look on the front of the unit, we can see our text is now displaying on the LCD module. So all in all, this arrangement gives us a very capable Z180 computer. And the whole system is bound together by maker beam struts. I'll put links to the boards used in the system in the description below. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to click on the link in the description below to discover more videos.